How exciting! We're here and they have the Halloween pumpkins up.
Welcome to see. The treasure belongs to Francis. The
Treasure belongs to
Yes,
Francis.
you follow along.
Okay, so we're on Pirates of the Caribbean right now. Woo. It's really cool. They have live actors here.
Where I'm standing. Do you not see me right now? I'm a pirate. You're a pirate. They're all pirates. So let's all calm down with the cannon fire.
I think someone in the middle there is so lit they've had so much rum.
There, yes. What do you say we all get together for some rum and make every hour a happy one?
We want the rum! We want the rum! We want the rum!
What's your favorite part so far?
Huh?
What's your favorite part so far?
Vegetarian bowl that I got for dinner.
At Paco Bill's, they had the veggie bowl, and it was actually really good because you can fill it up with a bunch of the condiments that they have there, like at the salad bar, and it was only like $9.99, and I was full. Like I had to give half of my plate, or a little bit, whatever was left of it. I gave it to my husband because it was too much food for me.
I eat too much. I eat too much.
Wait, what are we doing? We're doing aerial. So right now we're riding the People Mover, and we've already seen the Spectacular. I don't even know what that ride's called. I Actually, it's not a ride, it's a show. Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular. And after that, we're gonna go watch the Hocus Pocus. But right now, we're doing like sit-down rides because we're both super tired.
I've done 17,428 steps.
This is Henry's favorite ride. Here, babe, did you watch the movie Tron?
Yeah.
Well, they're gonna build this. All of this is gonna be Tron. This whole area. Can you see it?
It's a little dark.
I'm excited for that. Maybe by the time they finish that, we'll have annual passes again. So we did Space Mountain, and it was pitch black dark, and I didn't like it at all.
May I have your
I think like
attention?
a couple of times.
Please remain seated.
Okay, so I did Space Mountain, and it was pitch black dark, and I didn't like it because there was like a couple of times where my neck like almost cracked because it was so dark and you couldn't see anything, and I got nauseous. And that's never happened to me in Space Mountain before, so it also felt like they had slowed down the ride. And then we did the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and that also felt like they slowed it down a little bit. Everything else has pretty much been the same. The Haunted House was really cool. Pirates of the Caribbean was really cool. Big Thunder Mountain so far has been my favorite because that one was just as fast as it's always been.
When the air is filled with the chill of fall, he's the one who leads them all. From witches' laughter and ghoulish growls to ghosts and monsters on the prowl. With a glowing pumpkin to light the way, he's lurking to find his perfect prey.
And look, the gang's on.
Good evening, friends. Tonight on All Hallows Eve, your world and the magical world collide for but one night. A night filled with a little trick, a little treat, and a bit of hocus pocus.
The Sanderson sisters are back! Fools, there's no time. The ingredient! Read me the ingredient!
Nefarious nightmares
as terrifying as the shadows on the moon at night, filling dreams to the brim with fright. Come in.
Well.
I put a spell on you. And now you're
Oh my god, guys, we're exhausted. My battery's about to die, but we had a ton of fun tonight. The Hocus Pocus show.
Yes, I think it was the best show that I've ever seen. That I have ever seen.
And he's not kidding either. He even likes it more than the Lion King show at Animal Kingdom. We had to walk all the way from main entrance to our to where we parked because we missed like the turn for the tram. There was a guy there with like a loudspeaker, and anyways, he made us get lost. Okay, I'm gonna finish this on my phone because my camera died. I am so tired. I'm so ready to take a shower. It is so disgustingly humid, but we had a ton of fun, so I'm not gonna end it on a bad note. We're gonna go to my sister's house. We're gonna get some sleep, and then we're gonna wake up tomorrow and do it all over again, except this time at Universal Studios. We're not doing Halloween Horror Nights though. We're just doing the park during the day. So thank you again, guys, for watching my vlog. If you like the channel, if you like what you saw so far, then make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time that I post a new video. Also, comment down below. Tell me what were your favorite parts, if you've been here, any tips that you have for us, any tips you'd like to share with other people, or just tell us about your experience. Bye!